Students, I am Prabhat Chaurasia, Department of English, Marwari College, Ranchi, Intermediate Section. Today in this online session, I am going to discuss with you people the probable question which may be asked in your final examination of 2021 from chapter number 4. One very important question is write the story, the rat trap, in your own words, or give the character sketch of the vagabond or the tramp. And the answer for these two questions will be the same, because the tramp or the vagabond is the central character of this short story, and the story revolves around his character. So, how will you start the answer? How will you begin the answer? That is very important. What you write is very important, but the way you present your answer is much more important than anything else. So, first of all, in the first paragraph, you have to give the description of what is a short story. Because the rat trap, chapter number 4, is a short story. So, you have to write that a short story has limited number of characters, that it has maximum 3 characters, not more than that it can be read in a single sitting, that is half an hour time to an hour or two. Third point is that a short story has unity of time, place and action. Point number 4, it has terseness or brevity. Fourth point is that it does talk about just one place, it does talk about just one idea, and that is what a short story is. Now, the second paragraph will go as you have to give the description of the tramp or the vagabond and his occupation. And as we have discussed in the last class, begging or committing thievery, these two are the occupations of the tramp or the vagabond. And one thing to be kept in mind, that the tramp or the vagabond is not a professional thief. He commits thievery occasionally when he gets bad treatment from the people of this world. Then to teach them a lesson, he used to commit petty thievery, small thievery, just to teach them a lesson. What he receives from the people of this world, he wants to give them back the same thing, the same treatment. So you have to write that tramp or the vagabond was a homeless person. He used to move from one place to another in order to beg or in order to sell his rat traps. And the rat traps he used to make from the materials he got after begging. And he has to walk on foot for miles and miles. And on his way, he used to think about this world and the people living there. Philosophical thoughts come into his mind. One day, he thinks that this world is nothing but a big rat trap. And all the people living in this world are moving around, running after the bets set to trap them. And what is this bet? Bank balance, luxury cars, bungalow, flats, bikes. These are called bets for modern man and woman. They keep on running since morning till night after the money. So they act like rats. And this world is like a big rat trap, working day and night. They die someday or the other. Their life comes to an end. Then you have to write about the crofter, the person who is the first in his life, who treats him in the best possible way, who welcomes him at his small grey hut. The crofter, if you remember, you have to mention that he has a cow which he used to milk for make a living. He used to sell the milk, and the money which he earns after selling the milk was his income, was his way of living, was his earning. Now what? One evening, it was 24th of December, while he was moving on the road, there was dense dark forest on both sides of that road, and he asks for shelter from a person living in the grey hut down the road. That crofter, the owner of the grey hut, is a very generous person. He was a very generous person, and he allows him to stay with him at night. And he was so generous that he offers him porridge, he offers him tobacco, as well as he tells him that he has 30 kroners note in the leather pouch which he used to hang near the window. Whom he is showing the notes? A general person, a generous person.